Hurricane Irma is bringing catastrophic damage to the Caribbean islands. By week's end, it's expected to make landfall in the Florida Keys. The Category 5 hurricane is the strongest ever recorded in the Atlantic, with maximum sustained winds of 298 kilometers per hour.
But what turns a storm into a record-breaking hurricane?
Hurricanes can only form in water warmer than 26 degrees Celsius. Irma formed off the coast of Africa near Cape Verde, one of the main hurricane breeding grounds. There, a group of thunderstorms clusters together. When the storms start raining, they give off heat. That hot air rises, causing a low-pressure center to form beneath the storms, just above the ocean. The low-pressure center causes a vacuum, sucking in air and moisture off the surface ocean. With the air funneling in, it causes a rotation, a spinning that starts to organize the storms into a tighter cluster. At that point, it has basically become a self-sustained engine, pulling in fuel in the form of a hot, humid air off the top of the ocean. As it spins eastward across the Atlantic, it continues to pick up wind speed, gradually evolving from a tropical depression to a tropical storm, to a hurricane, to a major hurricane. If it moves over land, it starts to die. If it moves over cold water, it dies, since its fuel source is cut off. In fact, the warm water has to be 60 meters deep, or else the storm system churns up cold water. If it veers close to the equator, it dies, since the Earth's rotational pull isn't felt there, so it essentially stops spinning.
Hurricane Irma was moving over water that was 1 degree Celsius warmer than normal, and the water went about 80 meters deep.